Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply remove numbers from WordPress URLs. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is zoom in the dashboard, and there are two ways how you can edit it and how you can delete it. So the first thing, you want to go to settings and permalinks, and when you're gonna be here, you can just choose the permalink settings from custom structure to post name. I recommend having the post name, because if you're gonna like with the plain, that's how you're gonna get like the numbers here. So you can go post name or custom structure that you can edit it as much as you want, right? So this is the first way how we can do it. And the second way is when you're gonna click on posts and you're gonna open a post. So you're gonna select URL slug here that you can edit, right? And view post. See, and if I would have numbers here, like let's say I have a number here, you can see like the post is edited. And as you can see, when I'm going to delete it from there, update, and preview. So this is how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance. And of course, you can edit also the URL in pages, right? You're gonna see it right here. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, I'll be really happy to help you. These things are really simple, honestly. Quite simple. Thank you. See ya and goodbye.